Hello, my name is Ken Parker, and I want to thank you for contacting our home selling team, where I guarantee to sell your home at a price in a time frame that you agree on, or I'll buy it. I have some very important news to share with you over the next couple minutes that could mean the difference between making more or less money when selling your home in today's market. Last year, half the homes listed for sale didn't sell with the real estate agent who originally listed the property. In fact, according to industry studies, 72% of home sellers say they would not go back to do business with the same agent again. Don't risk making the wrong choices in pricing, marketing, and in choosing a real estate agent. Don't risk losing both time and money in one of life's most important investments, your home. We successfully help home sellers like you sell their homes fast for top dollar and with the least amount of hassles. Now, many real estate agents will say this, but we back our claims up with statistics, customer success stories, and written guarantees. Our unique VIP seller benefit system will give you superior results through our unique team approach. Unlike typical real estate agents, we do not work alone. We have a team of professionals working for you. Every I is dotted, every T is crossed. Our exclusive and innovative customer programs that are proven to create more demand for your home. More demand can lead to a higher sales price. Our leading edge technology. Our team launches 16 key marketing systems to sell your home as soon as we list it for sale. Our specialized knowledge. When you are selling a home, there are many small but important issues that are critical to get right. Residential real estate is not an uncomplicated process. The single biggest issue on a home seller's mind is how to achieve the highest sales price within their time frame, with the least amount of hassles. Yet many homeowners in today's market feel disadvantaged and ill-equipped to achieve this goal. Now, we also have the buyers. We spend thousands of marketing dollars every month attracting buyers for properties we sell. We pre-qualify buyers so we know with confidence what they're looking for in a home and what they can afford. We don't waste your time showing your home to buyers who are not in a position to buy it. These buyers are ready to purchase, so it's critical that we get together to find out more about your home to see if it fits for one of our many home buyers. There is no cost or obligation. In fact, your home may already be sold. Finally, there is a difference in real estate agents, the services they provide, and the results they get. Industry research shows that we are more educated marketers, more experienced negotiators, and get better results than over 98.7% of real estate agents in the country. Our clients' experience and our impressive track record will prove that my team and I can make the difference for you. So discover how to get the price you want when selling in today's market. We look forward to presenting our VIP seller benefits to you.